let me say this. The reason why the preachers, Al Sharpton, Elijah Cummings, and the rest of them want to sit down with President Trump is because it's not that they want to discuss President Trump's recent remarks about Al Sharpton and Elijah Cummings. The reason why they want to sit down with President Trump is because they want to ask President Trump in person, please stop exposing me. I understand that Elijah Cummings made a mistake patronizing your Secretary of Homeland Security. But in the meantime, please stop exposing me and my brother Elijah Cummings. Now, that's the reason why they sit down, so they can ask politely, President Trump, please stop exposing me. Now, anybody in a right mind with a position or a caliber, with a position in a high caliber such as a preacher and a representative of Congress would not only ignore the statements that President Trump has stated, they would immediately file motion in federal court for slander. But it has not been done. Why? Because it is true. There was a preacher by the name of Jimmy Swaggart. I have sinned. I have sinned. I slept with a prostitute. I have sinned. Jimmy Swaggart. Remember him? But Jimmy Swaggart was a man of honesty and a man that let not only his followers, but the world know that there's no skeleton in his closet. Jimmy Swaggart should have a statue sitting right next to Abraham Lincoln in the nation's capital, Washington, D.C. So everyone would know the difference between a lying man and an honest man. There you have it. In the meantime, I gotta go. Al Sharpton. Elijah Cummings. Hey, remember Charles Dutton in The Wire? Well, what happened then? Elijah Cummings didn't come to the rescue, get no appropriation funds to better Baltimore. What happened then? I gotta go, man. In the meantime, you have been exposed by President Trump, the re-elected president, 2020. I gotta go. Isn't that a beautiful sign?